Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So what we have discussed in previously week of forex analysis, you can see here guys, I have told you if it will came downside and take once again your first target and second target. Exactly what happened, you can see that exactly it's going on a channel. I have told you also, you can go and check out also guys. What happened, it's a given us fake breakout. After that it came once again taking resistance. At this point also you have taken your position, and in this red candle top high you have kept your SL. You can see that one sided momentum has been made up till here. You have taken your profit, so we have got very huge profit guys. Hope you have traded and get this opportunity guys. After that once again it's making a false breakout in downside and continuously consolidate somewhere here only. Because of here is the buyer zone, that's why here once again two times, this is the third time where the buyer are dominating and it consolidate and goes downside momentum. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is euro versus jbpy. Okay guys, in euro versus jbpy, here you can see that the price action is meeting. Okay guys, what we think that it will goes up till here. What happened here, price action has been made, goes upside. After that consolidation, you can see that this is the breakdown has been happened. After that only, if you have taken your position also, you can see that exactly from here only it's taken resistance. Here also you have taken your SL, will be there somewhere here. You can see that this much is your small SL, and you can see that our first target reached, second, third. We can go for up till here only 70% we have booked our profit guys, because we know that our probability is almost first, second, and second target reached is almost 90% accurate guys, 90%. That's why we have taken this rule. So hope you have taken this trade and made such a good money guys. Hope you like also this thing about the trading also. Okay guys, we can see next major forex is GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, GBP versus Japanese yen, you can see here guys, what happened is that consolidation happening. So after here only exactly you can see here guys, what happened, it continuously consolidation. After here only you can see that buyers dominating. But after that here somewhere you have taken also, no worries about it, small SL has been triggered even. After this red candle you have seen, you have kept your SL at this red candle high. You can see that one sided momentum, our first target reach, second target reach, third target almost just a little bit only. After that only reversible. I have taken my trade, two trade reached, I have booked my 70% whole 70% profit. After that only we have taken our profit. Okay guys, so here you can see that we have got a very nice and money. So hope you have also traded this. After that also you can see that consolidation happening. After that only here only exactly it's taken a resistance, how huge fall has been came. After that two times it has been continuously taking resist, third time came, it will definitely break. You can see that how nicely buyer are dominant right now. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is that USD versus CAD. Okay guys, in USD versus CAD, what happened, I have told you exactly this is the trend line. If this is broken, you can go up till here. You can see that what happened, broken, consolidation, it came once again downside also. But what happened, you have to take your SL at this green candle low guys, this green candle low, because of this is the buyer zone and defending area. That's the consolidate. After this trend line also making, after this trend line taken exactly here support, boom, one sided. Our first target reached, second, third, all three target has been reached, and we have got a very huge profit in USD versus CAD. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is GBP versus USD guys. What happened is that this fake breakout has been happened. So I am thinking that okay, upside momentum also comes, so you can trade and take a nicest money. So here not happened that resistance has been taking. Okay, after that here consolidating, what happened is that I am seeing that from here only, if it will make and gives us very huge momentum, then we can go for upside momentum. But what happened, it's gone once again downside. So our one SL has been triggered by, because somewhere here only I have taken my position and kept my SL at this low. After that it's broken, my SL hit. After that somewhere here only at this red candle only I have taken one make a position only and kept my SL at this high. Okay guys, after that you can see that continuously coming downside. Okay, once again it's pump up the market, but once again came downside. Okay guys, we have reached our first target guys, second target, third target, all three we have reached. After that consolidate came downside. Right now it is at a resistance phase. Okay guys, so we can see also next major forex pair is that euro versus usd guys. Okay guys, in euro versus usd you can see here guys, in euro versus USD we can see here guys continuously here consolidating, and this is the trend line is going on. After that I have told you if this will came once again and break, then we can get a very huge upside momentum. But what happened here, only consolidate and going upside momentum, but what happened here, sellers once again came and consolidate, and somewhere here only this is the acting as one of the resistance area, but it crosses continuously consolidate, came once again downside. So this is the thing is that we cannot trade euro versus usd in this week. Okay guys, we have also euro versus gbp. You can see that in euro versus gbp what happened is that in euro versus gbp you can see here guys consolidation, whole day consolidation only happened here, not taken resistance, not taken any support. So we have not traded any this thing, and we do not have anything to tell about it. Okay guys, we can see AUD versus US dollar guys. In AUD versus US dollar I have told you exactly this is at a channel pattern, exactly here only taken resistance. Hope you have taken here short position and your first second two target has been reached. Almost you have taken this once again also up till here also you have three target all reached. After that exactly I have told you this will act as a support, then now it will act as resistance, taken resistance, came downside, once again taken resistance, came downside, and now at a position is it is at a taking a resistance. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is AUD versus CHF. In AUD versus CHF what happened is that it opened, taken exactly support, our first target, second target reached, we have to exit here. We have taken our otherwise 70% profit and 30% run. So you have seen consolidating at this time only you have to exit. If you have exited, hope you have made a huge profit. After that it came once again downside momentum, taking resistance somewhere here only, but I'm not interested right now because I have already have so many positions. After that here it has been broken and coming upside. So I am seeing that okay, I have the money, so I will take a small risk. So I have entered at this green candle and kept at this green candle only SL, and you can see that one-sided momentum has been came up till my second target only I have reached. So I am exited frankly because I don't want more money at this position. So I have exited because I have wanted to trade other forex pairs also. Instead of major forex pair also I have traded the other pairs also guys. So these are the some of the major pairs which we have discussed also. Okay guys, so now how the this week gonna work for a major forex pair we gonna see right now. Okay guys, these are the some of the nicest thing. You can see euro versus JPY. Okay guys, you can see here guys exactly what happened. If it will came downside and take support, your first target will be somewhere here, second target at least you can take somewhere here, your third target and your fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. If it will came downside somewhere, take resistance, our first target will be here guys, second target, this will be the third and fourth target. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, in GBP versus Japanese yen right now it is on a consolidation phase only, so I will just shift it. So two possibilities are there. If it will came somewhere here, take support, then you can expect your first target, second target. After that you can go for third and fourth target. Okay guys, if it will consolidate like this, take here somewhere, okay guys, here only make a bullish candle and goes upside, then you can go for your first target, second target. And you also join my telegram channel. I will give you there the some of the ideas. If I get some of the ideas and it will work for you, then I will gonna definitely give you that thing. Okay guys, if it will take resistance, you have to see that this is the no trading zone because it is continuously bearish dominance. After that you can go for first, second, and this will be the third target. Okay guys, we can see for next USD versus CAD guys. In USD versus CAD, it has been given us very huge profit. So if it will broke and take support somewhere here, your first target will be a second target and third target guys. Okay guys, in downside also, if it's taking resistance and making a price action, then you can go for your first target, second, third target. If this is broken, you can go up till here also. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex pair is GBP versus US dollar. Okay guys, in GBP versus US dollar, right now it is exactly at a resistance phase. So if it will take resistance, our first target will be here, second target, and if it will take once again somewhere here resistance, then you can go for your third and fourth target. Okay, these are the four target, these are the resistance. So I will just shift it so you can get an idea better way. So this is the downside momentum. In upside also we can discuss, these are the upside momentum only. So we can see here, if it will came upside, our first target, our second, our third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. In euro versus US dollar guys, you can see here guys, continuously consolidate, and right now it is making a one of the major trend lines. I will show you something like this. Okay guys, something like this. Okay guys, right now it's making, so I will just a second guys, so I will remove this, and somewhere here you are seeing that here also a trend line is making. Okay guys, so now what we have to see is, if it will came somewhere and take support, this will be the first, second, third target. No doubt it gonna gives us very huge profit guys. If it will came take resistance from here only, our first target up till here, and another in downside momentum, it will came downside, then you can expect that it will came downside and take our first, second target and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the target. In first target upside, second, third. In downside, first target, second and third target. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex pair, euro versus GBP. Okay guys, in euro versus GBP, it given us very nice momentum right now, but it doesn't give us what we need. Okay guys, it has been done a momentum but in a sideways market, so we can expect these are the our target in upside and downside which are pending. Okay guys, these are the first, second, third, fourth target. This is the first, second, third, fourth target in downside. Okay guys, in USD versus AUD versus US dollar guys, in exactly what we have discussed, that only happened. Right now it's taking a resistance, and what we have discussed exactly up till here it will came. So I will just shift it down so we can get the, these are the target for downside momentum. Okay guys, if it will came upside momentum and gives us our first target, second target, third and even fourth target. Okay guys, these are the some of the target. We can see for AUD versus CHF, in AUD versus CHF, exactly these targets are pending right now once again. So we can shift it and we can think that these will be achieved. Okay guys, this is all guys for AUD versus CHF. We can see for NSD versus US dollar, right now it at very nicest place guys, because it's continuously acting at this position, a supporting zone. Okay guys, so what we have to do is, it will take support, then you can expect your first target, second, third and eventually fourth target. Okay guys, this has to be broken, and this is the not right now a very important thing, so you can remove it, but this is the right now is a very important zone guys, so remember this thing. Okay guys, we can see next, sorry guys, we have not discussed the downside momentum. So our downside momentum are these target only guys. Okay guys, these are the targets. Okay, these are the target for downside momentum. Okay guys, we can see for euro versus Japanese yen, we have already discussed. Hope you like this video guys. If you have any queries, I have made a dedicated video of the natural gas and commodity, gold and the natural gas and the crude oil. You can check out also our accuracy is 90 to 95% accurate, guys. You can check out, and believe me, guys, if you wanted to make a good money in trading, so you have to see the my analysis. Go and check out there. I have given you very small points which are very important for every trader to learn. If you have learned, I will guarantee you you are become a successful trader, not within a 1 month 6 month. It will take a process. It's a process, guys. Within 1 year or 1.5 year, you can become a very good trader and you can make a very huge amount of money. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, and you wanted like this videos, please subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys.